Assalamualaikum. Welcome to e-Edification. It's me उस्मान अली, your English teacher. चलिए आज के लेक्चर का आगाज करते हैं.
Students, today we will discuss words with letter B and C. Our first word is boon. Boon is a noun. It means a thing that is helpful or beneficial. In Urdu, it's something जो कि आसाइश है, नेमत है, आसानी है. Its synonyms: blessing, godsend, bonus, good thing, benefit, help, aid, advantage, gain, asset, privilege, luxury. Note down the sentence to make the meaning more clear. The bus service is a real boon to people in the village. Means the bus service that has been started there, it's really beneficial for the people of the village. Next example: science lovers call it a boon, but others call it a bane. So science is both according to the people. It is boon, it is something that is beneficial, that has advantage, but some people say that or claim that it is a bane, it is disadvantage, it is not beneficial, it is irritating, rather it is a scourge. So bane is actually the antonym of boon. Next word is bewilderment. Bewilderment is a noun. It means a feeling of being very confused. In Urdu, it means परेशानी, पशेमानी और हैरत. Synonyms: confusion, disorientation, perplexity, bafflement, daze, surprise. Note down the sentence: COVID-19 has spread bewilderment among people. She looked at him in bewilderment. Next word is briskly. Briskly is an adverb. It means in a quick, energetic way. इन उर्दू, वो काम जो बड़ी तवानाई के साथ, चाबुकदस्ती से किया गया हो, हिम्मत से किया गया हो, उसके लिए बोला जाता है जी ये वर्ड ब्रिस्कली. सिनोनिम्स: क्विकली, विग्रसली, रेडिली, इंसाइसिवली, एनर्जेटिकली. शी वॉक्ड ब्रिस्कली इनटू द बिल्डिंग. Beat the eggs whites briskly. Next word, quite easy one, quite familiar one, bead. Bead is a noun and it means moti. Synonyms: sphere, oval, orb, round, and pearl. She wore a string of green glass beads around her neck. Beads. We can use the word beads in another sense, and that sense is a small drop of liquid such as water or blood. Beads of sweat trickle down his face. and यहाँ पे जिसकी सेंस है वो कतरों की सेंस में है, एक धार की सेंस में है. Next word is brim. Brim is a verb. It means be full to the point of overflowing. किसी चीज का अपनी कैपेसिटी तक, अपनी हद तक भरे हुए होना, लबालब भरे हुए होना, किनारे तक भरे हुए होना. Synonyms: be full, be filled up, be filled to the top, fill or overflow. He is brimming with ideas. It means he has so many ideas. His mind is filled with various ideas. She had expected the royal apartments to be brimming with activity. Brimming can be adjective. It can be used brimming. Present participle of brim can be used as an adjective. For example, a brimming canal. So a canal that has come to the point of overflowing, that has maximum water in it. यानी वो नहर जो लबालब. Next word is baffling. Baffling is an adjective. It means impossible or difficult for someone to understand or explain. यानी वो चीज़ जो कि आपके समझ में नहीं आती और आप उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते, बता नहीं सकते, वजाहत नहीं दे सकते. वो चीज़ जो आपको आपके लिए परेशान कुन है. Synonyms: puzzling, bewildering, perplexing, mystifying, bemusing, confusing, unclear. I found what he was saying completely baffling. यानी उसने जो भी कहा तो it just went over my head. It was confusing for me. The question was quite baffling. Note down the difference between baffling or baffled. Students' baffling questions made the teacher baffled. Baffling is actually the process that makes the person baffled. So the questions of the students were so baffling that the teacher became baffled. Next word is bashful. Bashful is an adjective. It means easily embarrassed in social situations. एक जगह पे गैदरिंग है, बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे हैं, तो वहाँ पे जो शख्स अपनी बात को कह नहीं पाता, बोल नहीं पाता, परेशान हो जाता है, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे बैशफुल, शर्मीला. Synonyms: shy, coy, reserved. Don't be bashful about telling parents how you feel among friends. She gave a bashful smile as he complimented her on her work. Next word is beckon. Beckon is a verb to move your hand or head in a way that tells someone to come nearer. यानी हाथ से या सर से इशारा करके किसी को बुलाना. Synonyms: gesture, signal, wave, entice, invite, tempt, coax, lure, charm और attract. किसी की तवज्जो अपनी तरफ हासिल करना. She beckoned to the waitress to bring more water. A career in the film industry beckoned her. It charmed. Next word is coveted. Coveted is an adjective. It means strongly desired by someone. यानी वो चीज़ जो किसी पर्सन की महबूब है, इंतहाई मरगूब है और जिसकी वो शदीद ख्वाहिश रखता है. Synonyms: desired, aspired, wished, craved, or rather craved for. Preposition is used. She left her coveted job. After all, he got his coveted award. यानी कि वो वाला अवार्ड मिल गया जिसकी उसको बड़ी देर से ख्वाहिश थी. Credentials. Credentials is a noun. Documents, that state the abilities and experience of a person. In Urdu, it means asnad, तजर्बा, कागजात वगैरह वगैरह. Synonyms: documents, papers, experience, record, history, past training, education, grounding, knowledge. Have you heard about their background or their credentials? She had excellent credentials for the job. There are doubts over his credentials as a future Prime Minister. Note the use of for and as with credentials. In last two sentences, credentials is used with for and credential is used with as. So just pay heed towards it, how it can be used with these two. Next word is capacious. Capacious is an adjective. It means having a lot of space and able to contain a lot. यानी वो चीज़ जो वसी है, कुशादा है. Synonyms: roomy, commodious, spacious. The woman was carrying a capacious bag. Next word is collide with. Collide with is a verb. It means especially of moving object. To hit something violently. जब दो चीज़ें मूव कर रही हों और वो टकरा जाएं तो उसके लिए हम बोलेंगे collide with, यानी कि हादसा, टकरा जाना, टकराव हो जाना. Synonyms: hit, smash, crash, bang, disagree, diverge, clash, and differ. A car and a van collided on the motorway. Note, this is something important to remember. In everyday English, people usually say run into rather than collide with. यानी कि जो आम बोलचाल की ज़ुबान है उसमें जो लोग हैं वो run into बोलते हैं बजाय इसके कि वो collide with बोलें. Collide with is a very formal expression. Her car ran into the back of a truck. Next word is crudely. Crudely is an adverb. It means in a way that is simple and not skillfully done or made. यानी वो चीज़ जो गैर मेयारी अंदाज से और एक अनप्रिपेयर्ड वे में बना दी गई है या पेश कर दी गई है. Synonyms: approximately, non-standard, undeveloped. It was a female form crudely carved in rosewood. Some students work crudely, though they have potential enough to perform better.